What's up, gang? It's your boy, Coach K, man. A lot happened last year in 2023. A few life changes. This year in 2024, I'm going to do my best to post content more often. And then again, I just don't want to give you guys content because I'm a content creator. I want to give you something of value. So if I don't post every single day, it's because I'm not trying to, I guess, hustle you guys for your likes and things of that nature. So, also, before we get started today, this is not financial advice. Okay, so if you're looking for financial advice, seek a financial advisor. Do your own research, your own due diligence before making any financial decisions. Okay, now that we got that out the way, the stock that we're looking at tonight, all right, is going to be TGT, which is Target. And because I don't have a lot of time, guys, I'm looking at this from a technical analysis point of view. All right. So we're on the daily time frame right now, guys, and we can see that we did shoot up. Now we starting to come back down. We shot all the way up. Um, as of November 2021, we started coming down. So we started making lower lows and lower highs and lower lows and lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. We just broke a lower high, right? We just broke this lower high. Now we up. All right, so let's draw some levels so we can see just like from a technical uh aspect where we are. And I can easily spot levels, right? You guys can call them support and resistance. I can call them key areas. All right. So we could see resistance here. We could see there was some support that was broken, right? Which gave us the ability to actually come down, right? Gave us the ability, because listen, no matter how you guys see it, right? We're trading in a range here, and because we're trading in a range, we still didn't, break to the upside or downside until about right here. So what that means is we're still going from lower low to lower high, from lower low to lower high, from lower low to lower high, right? Now to lower low, right? Look like we retested it, made a lower high, lower low, lower high, right? And then we didn't make a lower low, but we made a higher high here. So much to the point where we actually surpassed this previous level of support here. And I'm looking at all this from the daily time frame because you can really seek market direction from the higher time frame. So got to definitely start there. Let's see here. Wow, look at this area, guys. This is my first time marking this chart up as well. So look at this. That's a nice area where we came here, went back down, came here again, went down, came up, retested this area. This is a nice support area as well, right? Oh, I love it. Love that area. All right. So so where we going with this thing, man? Um, I feel like since we kind of broke out of the most recent level of resistance here, um, in the beginning of this month and so on, I feel like there's a great possibility that we could move to the upside from a technical support um analysis, right, guys? So let's see something here for a minute. So we're down about 45, 46% from the all-time high. We are above the U200, I'm not telling you U200, the 200 EMA, that's for this moving average. So that's what this red line you guys see here, which determines the trend direction. So um that's another sign that we could, possibly go up. I mean, we're trading well above this 200. So what I would do is I'm more of a swing trader. Um, so what I would do is I would like go long here, depending on how tomorrow look like this thing closed at 42.53. So I would go long and have my stop loss right under here. I got a heavy stop loss because I'm going from level to level, guys. Trade how you want to trade, but my stop loss probably won't get touched this year, right? Unless there's some really, really bad stuff happen, like earnings is coming up March 5th. So um I haven't looked into the fundamentals of Target. I'm just like I said, I'm giving you guys just from a technical analysis standpoint, but I'll do a stop loss. That's how I trade anyway. Because sometimes when you think that you have the fundamentals figured out, it still go against you because it's something that the market don't like. You know, it's hard to satisfy everyone. Some deep pockets is who we would actually have to satisfy whatever. But a lot of times the numbers and everything line up, guys, and we still shoot in the opposite direction. So with that being said, I'm gonna put a stop loss right at about $84 here, and I'm gonna look to move to the upside, right? Move to look at it at 183, moving on. And then the next take profit, of course, we're shooting for would be the next level of resistance, right? Hang on for a minute. Which would be this level, right? Which is the 252 area. And it depends on how long you guys, like to hold. Now, what the trick is going from a lot of people say, hey, let's go from top-down analysis, let's go from a higher time frame to a lower time frame, but they don't tell you how or why. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit and show you guys this, right? The most recent change that we got from this area would be like this candle here, which would have been January the 25th, right? January 26th. So right up in this action here, we're gonna look for a way to actually go long. So let's just bring it down to, let's say, a 1 hour time frame. Uh, and you can see what happened on the 25th and the 26th, right? Let's make it bigger, right? So tomorrow, depending on if we can get a pullback or something, I'm looking to actually go long on this. And let's go ahead and show that it's starting to move in an uptrend right now. You guys can see that now. So we can go from higher high to higher low to higher high. Maybe this could be a higher low and we can continue on. But I can see now we can pretty much start forming a trend here. So let's take a look. So a little uptrend coming here from the H1 time frame. Let's break this down and see how it look on the 15-minute. So as you can see here, we're making higher highs and higher lows, higher highs and higher lows and higher highs, and so I would say I don't go no smaller than a 15 a lot of times. So I'll look at the most recent swing high, right? Which would be a great resistance level. And I would look to see if we can go along. See how that panned out though? Once that broke, kind of retest it and heading up to the upside. So again, tomorrow, depending on what this thing open at, if we get a pullback and don't break through this level here, I'll be more than happy to actually go ahead and get in there. But I do see Target actually going up, guys. It's down a lot. Let's see here. So I don't have my RSI. Kind of look at the MACD every now and then, but yeah, man, let's look and see if we can get Target up to the most recent swing high here on that 15-minute time frame, the 144.46 area. Let's see if we can do that in the next few days. But again, depending on how the market is going, whether or not we having a good day, bad day, or whatever, I'm looking to go long Target, guys. Um, And that's my technical analysis for that. Like, it's possible in another day or two we can make it to this 144.46. And you know, if you want to hold longer, let's go ahead and go back to the daily time frame here. Like, even if you guys want to hold longer because we bust through a major key level from the higher time frame, there's a big possibility that we could go to the next level, right? Which is about 182. This is my stop loss. I'll probably hang in there as long as I could. But that's my plan of action right now, guys. All right. So if you just like this information, hit the like button, subscribe, you know, all of that good stuff that you do. But I'm just going to be putting you guys in my game room this year. And again, I'm looking for target to the upside. Thank you for watching. Coach K.